Hey everybody, and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Cork. I am your boy Corey. We are gonna make a little bit of feta dip. This would be a great game day dip. I swear, whenever I cook this dip is the hit. It is the hit. It is so good. It is so easy to make. Yes, maybe it's not so much actually cooking with Cork, but we're just making good food. This is what this channel is about. I want to make sure that the next time you go to a game day party, you bring something delicious, and this is the thing you should bring. It's at least one thing that you should bring. It's good. This is Cork's famous feta dip. I love it. I am gonna get fat off of feta. So as you see Cork putting on the pounds, that's what you're gonna get. Alright guys, let's get to cooking. Ooh. Alright, and we're back. So with here, we're going to first put 2 cups of feta cheese. This is about the size of a normal container that you can find at any of the stores. We will clear our work area and begin the prep of the red onion. What I like to do here is first cut one side off, put a little notch in the side, and pull off that first layer. Once that's done, I like to, with the edge of the knife, slide the blade through in 5 or 6 grooves, turn it 90 degrees, and do another 5 or 6. This will make chopping the onion perfect. Now when you put those notches in, you want to make sure to only go 2/3 of the way through the onion. You don't want to cut all the way through so it holds together. After that is done, I'll go through it 2 or 3 times just to make sure the pieces aren't too big, because this will all be raw in the dip. For this dip, you want about equivalent to a half of a red onion. And throw that into the mixing bowl. The next thing we're gonna prep are the roasted red peppers. Now you can find this in the pickle aisle of any grocery store. You can also roast your own peppers, but it's a lot easier this way. I will quickly dice these up and throw them also into the mixing bowl. Look how pretty this is. I'm so pumped for this. Next up, we're going to add our spices. Add 1/4 of a tablespoon of basil, 1/4 of a tablespoon of oregano, 1/4 of a cup of olive oil, a couple of pinches of salt, a couple of pinches of black pepper, or freshly cracked black pepper. Let's talk. And then we mix. Look how beautiful that is. Let's get. Once you make this dip, you should let it sit in the fridge for about an hour. It gets better with time. So everybody, that is about it. This is a perfect game day dip. Every time I make this dip, it goes that day. I don't think this dip lasts longer than an hour. I mean, basically 3 people tackle this thing in an hour's time. It is so good. My vegetable of choice for this feta dip is an original club cracker. These pair excellent with this dip. Let's go ahead and get a little bite. Molly. Y'all can find this recipe down in the description below, all the ingredients. It's super easy. This is a perfect game day dip for you and your friends. Try it out. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Smash that like button if you like it. Smash that like button if you're gonna try it. If you love feta, this is the dip for you. My father's been making it ever since I was a kid, and it goes. It lasts 2 days at most. I gained 5 pounds. Keto friendly. I'm not sure if it's keto friendly. Who cares? Please subscribe. Please leave a like. Try this one out whenever you get a chance. It's delicious. I wouldn't make it for y'all if I didn't think y'all would love it. Thanks for cooking with Cork. Catch y'all next time. Where's my crackers? See you guys next time.